Hello cuties, it's Jess here, and today I have got another K-pop album unboxing for you all. So today I will be unboxing Twicecoaster Lane 1 from Twice. Now this is a relatively old Twice album. This was their third mini album released in 2016, I believe, but it's such a cute album that I thought you guys would definitely want to see it. And Twice albums are always just such good quality and they always have so much in them, so I really thought that you guys would like to see this today. So this is the neon pink version, I believe, and the other version is the apricot one. I just chose this as I really like the colours, although the apricot one is stunning as well. So here is just a pack of all the bonuses I got, which I'll open towards the end, so I'll pop it to the side for now. Oh, okay, so we have a Dion CD, which is really exciting. I actually had a feeling that this album would be very Dion heavy, so I'm really happy with that, as I actually don't have a Dion CD yet. So here is the CD. It's very cute as always. Now I'm actually going to pop all these bits to the side as they're always the most exciting, so we'll leave that for last. Right, so that is everything inside the actual album itself. So just taking these bits that we had at the start. So first start with everything actually from the album itself. So here we have a sleeve, and inside we have... Right, so we have a shiny nylon card. It's so pretty. The holographic is so sweet. I love that. Really, really cute. And then the iconic Twicecoaster Lane 1 aesthetic on the back. It's a really pretty card. I'm quite happy with that one, as Niall was so cute in TT. so I'm really happy about that. So next we have a Sana card. Very cute as always. Here we have a postcard, I believe, of OT9, which is really adorable. Here we have another postcard of OT9, really sweet. And then finally we have a sticker sheet. I believe the sticker sheets in the two different versions are actually different. So really cute. And here, this isn't actually part of the album, it's just what came from the seller. So first off we have a OT9 mirror, as you can see there, and these are really sweet. This looks to be from either Dance the Night Away or Bulldozer era. Really cute. And then here we have some photos. So here it looks like it's from the Uplift campaigns that they do. So we've just got Momo, Gio, Mina and Dion. Here we've got a more and more picture. We've got a Nyan during more and more era. Here we have Nyan, Mina and Tui during more and more era. Here we have Jungyoung during more and more era. And then we are back to the start. So that is everything I got in the Twicecoaster Lane 1 album. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what your favourite thing from the album was, and I shall see you in my next video. Goodbye guys.